Another active week at Spotify Camp Nou brings visible progress across almost every major area of the stadium as structural transformation continues at full speed. From mobility core preparations to compression ring works, diamond structures, and ceramic lama installations, the project keeps moving forward with strong momentum. Today's update takes you across the construction site to cover all the latest developments and key changes shaping the future of the stadium. Work continues on the first cantilever level, where new black sandwich panels are being lifted into position. Construction crews were seen guiding additional panels into place, expanding the covered sections behind the facade. In the Gol Sud area, ceramic lama installation remains unchanged since the previous update. The lower section has already been completed, while 3 vertical lamas remain installed higher up. The remaining ceiling section already has its support anchors prepared and is ready for future installation work. Large steel components for the compression ring remain distributed around the construction site as work progresses on one of the most important structural elements of the entire renovation. The previously installed radial beam remains in position, while the latest compression ring box installed last week is still the newest addition in the Gol Sud sector. At the same time, concrete operations were taking place inside the stadium, with a concrete pump active in the lower construction areas. One of the most important developments this week is the progress around the mobility cores. Workers have begun carefully aligning the anchor systems that will support future ceramic lama installations around these elevator and access tower structures. Most anchors are already installed, with only a few remaining positions still awaiting completion. The alignment process confirms that preparations are entering their final stages before facade coverage begins. This marks a significant milestone, as these mobility cores are expected to become the first upper-level structures fully surrounded by ceramic lamas. Gol Nord is gradually transforming as decorative ceramic lamas continue to expand across the upper facade, bringing a clear sense of color and finish to the structure. With the installation of new purple elements in the false ceiling, the area is steadily gaining its final architectural appearance, with each added section enhancing the overall visual impact of the stadium. Focus now shifts to the second cantilever, where steady and impressive progress continues across multiple sections leading toward the third-tier access. Crews are advancing wall structures for restrooms and service areas along the lateral and curved zones of Gol Sud, while surrounding areas remain active with precise technical and surveying work. Overall, the area is showing strong organization and continuous development as structures gradually take shape and the entire section moves closer to its next construction phase. Further progress is also visible along the lateral section of the stadium. New anchors are now being installed around another mobility core, with crews actively securing and adjusting the support systems. The pace of facade work has noticeably increased since football activities ended at the stadium. New supports, anchors, and lama preparation zones are now appearing across multiple sectors simultaneously. Protective safety netting has also been installed around these work areas, indicating that intensive facade operations are expected in the coming weeks. The diamond structures continue to emerge as one of the most active construction zones on site. Multiple teams are working simultaneously on formwork installation, reinforcement preparation, and concrete operations. Several wall sections have already been enclosed with formwork panels, while other areas are advancing toward full structural completion. Some portions of the diamond walls have already been concreted, particularly around the tip sections where visible progress is becoming increasingly evident. The amount of workforce and equipment concentrated around these structures highlights their growing importance within the overall stadium development. Another diamond structure has now reached a highly advanced stage. Reinforcement work across the upper platform is nearly complete, and crews are finalizing details before large-scale concrete pouring begins. Once this section is concreted, attention will shift toward the pillar reinforcements that will emerge from the spherical connection points already visible on the structure. The rapid progress here suggests that major structural milestones are approaching very soon. One mobility core near the advanced diamond structure remains uncovered by sandwich panels. But important activity is still taking place around it. Construction crews were observed lifting and positioning new structural components onto the core. Meanwhile, adjacent mobility cores continue progressing toward completion, suggesting this area may soon enter its next installation phase. Gol Nord has delivered some of the most visible changes since the previous update. Several lama sections that were previously incomplete are now fully covered, including both the ceiling areas and the bracket sections. Only the small openings around structural pillars remain unfinished, which is consistent with installation patterns seen throughout the stadium. Compression ring progress is also visible here, with additional radial beam structures and new steel box sections now installed around the northern end of the stadium. In the Gol Norte area near the Tribune side, crews continue with interior preparation and surface treatment work. Anti-corrosion coating is being applied while other sections are cleaned and cleared of dust for the next construction phase. Additional teams are handling formwork materials and organizing structural pieces across the zone, with an elevated platform supporting ongoing operations. The corner area is being actively prepared for upcoming installations, with all surfaces and structural elements getting ready for the next phase of construction. Nearby, cleaning and organization work continues around the diamond structure before the view opens back toward the Gol Norte and Tribune panorama. Work is also progressing in the Cafeteria diamond zone, where new structural activity is now clearly visible inside the future facility. Crews have begun lifting block walls between recently constructed pillars, with early masonry work already defining the layout of the upcoming space. The area is showing steady development as the new cafeteria structure at the stadium gradually starts to take shape. In the Tribune section of the stadium, construction work continues across multiple surrounding zones, where excavation and structural adjustments are being carried out as part of the ongoing redevelopment. Stair elements in certain areas have been removed to allow further structural preparation, while different crews are working simultaneously across nearby sections. The mobility cores and adjacent areas remain active with continuous movement, reflecting steady progress throughout this part of the stadium, even as some sections are still in preparation phase for the next stage of construction. Notable milestone can now be seen near the stadium store area, where a large section has been fully concreted. This newly completed surface extends across a significant portion of the access zone and represents another visible sign of progress in the stadium's external infrastructure works. In the corner area, crews continue preparing support systems for future lama installations. While some previously installed supports were removed several weeks ago, only the connection elements remain visible at this stage. No major new installations have appeared in this sector yet, but preparations continue as workers ready the area for future facade work. This was today's Camp Nou construction update, covering steady progress across multiple key areas of the stadium. From mobility cores to the compression ring and diamond structures, work continues to move forward across the entire site. In the next video, we will show you behind-the-scenes areas of Camp Nou that are not usually visible. Stay connected, and I'll see you in the next update.